A clean car interior is crucial for your health and hygiene. A cluttered car can be a distraction, increasing the risk of accidents. Keeping it tidy ensures a safer driving environment. Germs. Your steering wheel, gearshift, and buttons can harbor more bacteria than a public restroom. Regular cleaning reduces the risk of illness, especially during flu season. Don't forget the air quality. Air filters clogged with dust and pollen can aggravate allergies and respiratory issues. Clean or replace them regularly for fresher, healthier air. Finally, a clean interior preserves your car's value. Spills and stains, if left untreated, can cause lasting damage. A clean car interior isn't just about looks. It's about health, safety, and preserving your investment.